What are you ready for? Okay, let's do this thing. What's up, y'all? Welcome to the vlog. Today is another day. It's definitely another vlog. We're doing another Star Wars Lego calendar thingy. One of the advent calendar. We're going to do that right now. So make sure you subscribe to our channel so that you see every single one of these things right here. We're on number 4 right now. So make sure you subscribe to our channel. We're going to go all the way until 24. December 24th. Yeah. That's right. All right, let's get this thing going.
No, where's one?
All right, let's find number 4.
Eat something for this. We did.
You smell.
Do you find it yet? It's so
Holy
hard.
cow, do you smell so bad? I can't even breathe. Number 4 is right here.
Bubba, you poke it right
Poke it right there, dude. Oh, there you go. Good job. Ooh, what is it? Another ship? Another ship! Let's build the ship!
Yeah!
Let's do it!
Let's build a ship!
Alright, there it is. It's some type of ship. I never know what these things are. Doesn't ever show it on the front of the box.
Hey, I want to try.
It showed like 1 or 2 of them. Here you go. Shh. Fly it around, dude. Let me see you fly it around.
Jen, can you get the other spaceship?
Oh! How's everyone doing today on this glorious Tuesday? It's Tuesday for you guys, yeah, Monday for us. And no, it's Tuesday. It's Tuesday. It's Wednesday for you guys. It's Tuesday for us. Wednesday. How's everyone doing on this glorious Wednesday? So right now, Mommy and Sophia are at church for Faith in God for Girls. So Sophia's excited to go to that because it's been a while since she's been to that. So that's what we're doing right now. Well, Mommy and Sophia and me and the boy and Audrina are here. We built the Legos things, and I mean that's gonna be the vlog, you guys. It's gonna be short, but the thing about it is though, we're gonna go into the daytime. It's nighttime right now, y'all. We are gonna go to where it's gonna be daytime. Ready, set, whoa! All right, y'all, what is happening? It is current day right now. And the girls are already at school. Mommy's getting ready. I'm dressed. I went to my parents' house, picked up a saw. I gotta do a project today and whatever. And the boy, he's not feeling too well. He is just not feeling too well. What's wrong? You have a cough? Let me hear it. Let me hear the cough. He's so sick. That could be the thumbnail. That's the thumbnail. Me have a cough. Is that the thumbnail? People will watch it if we do that. That's the thumbnail. Me have a cough. Alright, y'all. That's gonna be the vlog for today. I ended the vlog last night, so go back to past Travis, because this is future Travis. Go back to past Travis. Alright, see you guys. Past Travis. Thank you, future Travis. That's gonna be the end of the vlog, y'all. It is late in the evening right now. Super dark outside. Got the lights on. It looks super nice, super gorgeous. Mommy is still at church with Sophia. So we will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Come back and see us tomorrow because we're gonna do it all over again. We've got another one of those Legos to do. Thank you guys so much. Bye.